Welcome to this complete Vienna Austria guide. Vienna, a charming city where history and modern architecture coexist in harmony. Its unique blend is simply enchanting. Vienna fascinates, from the majestic Schönbrunn Palace to the innovative Hundertwasser house. It's a city filled with wonders waiting to be explored. So, are you ready to delve into the city's charm? Without any further ado, let's dive into the 13 must-do activities in Vienna. Starting off our list is a visit to the Grand Schönbrunn Palace, a symbol of Habsburg monarchy's grandeur. Next, we explore St. Stephen's Cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece with stunning stained glass windows. We then move to the Hofburg Palace, the winter home of the Habsburgs, renowned for its architectural splendor. Lastly, we visit the Belvedere Palace and Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site housing an impressive collection of Austrian. These royal structures provide a glimpse into Austria's rich and regal past. From Schönbrunn to St. Stephen d'Es, they stand as silent sentinels, preserving the magnificence of bygone eras for future generations to admire. Art enthusiasts, Vienna is your haven. This is Vienna, a city bursting with cultural treasures. The Vienna State Opera stands as a symbol of the city's deep-rooted love for music. The Kunsthistorisches, the museum to 7 millennia of art history. Museumsquartier merges the old and new, housing the museum and Mumok, bastions of Austrian modern art. In Vienna, culture isn't just viewed, it's lived, the city's identity. Get ready to be inspired by these cultural milestones. Vienna, a city brimming with culture and history, also guarantees fun. Discover Prater Park, home to the iconic giant Ferris wheel, a symbol of Vienna from the 19th century. Don't miss the grand Ringstrasse, displaying Vienna's architectural marvels. As dusk sets, it transforms into a lively spectacle. From thrilling rides to serene strolls, Vienna diverse leisure activities, ensuring a vibrant and enjoyable atmosphere. Let's explore Vienna's hidden gems. First stop, the art-rich Albertina Museum. Next, the culinary hub with 100 stalls of global gourmet. Then the eco-conscious Hundertwasser house. Finally, the neo-Gothic Vienna City Hall, the city's administrative and cultural center. Enhance your Vienna journey with these unique spots. Before we wrap up, let's take a culinary journey through Vienna. The city has a unique and delightful cuisine. First up is the Wiener Schnitzel, a classic Austrian dish. It's a crispy, tender and yummy pan-fried veal cutlet. Next is the Sachertorte, a delectable chocolate cake with apricot jam from Vienna. Its taste echoes Austrian tradition. Certainly your trip to Vienna be incomplete without experiencing the traditional coffee culture. The city's coffee houses offer a unique, relaxing and enriching experience. So enjoy these culinary delights in Vienna. They exemplify the Viennese experience. Now that's what we call a perfect ending to your Vienna journey. Vienna's coffee culture is a unique experience that shouldn't be missed. Among the city's many cafes, Café Central stands tall with its rich history. Frequented by famous personalities like Freud and Trotsky, it's more than just a cafe. It's a journey into the past. Next we have Café Sachet, the birthplace of the famous Sachertorte. This is a must-visit spot for chocolate lovers where you can savor the rich, chocolatey goodness of this iconic cake. Lastly, we step into Café de Mel. Known for its mouth-watering pastries and cakes, it's the perfect place for an afternoon break. So, take a break from sightseeing and enjoy a cup of coffee in these iconic cafes. Truly a Viennese experience. Vienna is home to some of the world's most renowned museums. The Belvedere, for instance, houses the world's largest collection of Gustav Klimt's paintings, a must-visit for art enthusiasts. Next we have the Albertina, home to one of the largest and most important print rooms in the world, boasting an array of masterpieces. Lastly, the Museum of Art History, one of the foremost museums globally, offers collections spanning 7 millennia, from the ancient Egyptians to the late 18th century. These museums offer more than just a tour. They provide a deep dive into art, history and culture. So immerse yourself in Vienna's rich heritage and explore these cultural treasures. As Vienna is often referred to as the city of music, it's only fitting that we take a closer look at its music scene. Home to some of the world's most prestigious music venues, a visit here isn't complete without experiencing the city's melodic charm. The Vienna State Opera, one of the top opera addresses worldwide, offers a diverse program of operas and ballets. Next we have the Musikverein, renowned for its exceptional acoustics, and the prestigious Vienna Philharmonic's home. Lastly, the Haus der Musik, an interactive sound museum, provides a unique and playful approach to music on a scientific level. Each of these venues offers a unique experience for music lovers, making Vienna's music scene a symphony for the senses. Vienna's architecture is a beautiful blend of the historic and the modern. Let's take a moment to appreciate the city's architectural wonders. The first stop is St. Stephen's Cathedral, a symbol of Vienna and one of the most important Gothic structures in Austria. Its multicolored tile roof and towering spire are a sight to behold. Next, we move on to the Hofburg, the former principal imperial palace of the Habsburg dynasty rulers. Its grandeur and historical significance are a testament to the city's rich past. Lastly, we have the Vienna Secession, an exhibition hall for contemporary art. Its unique architectural style signifies a break from traditional design norms. Indeed, these architectural marvels add to the city's charm and grandeur, making Vienna a city of timeless elegance. After a day of sightseeing and a delightful culinary experience, Vienna invites you to immerse yourself in its vibrant music and nightlife scene. Vienna, the city of music, offers a unique experience, the Vienna Philharmonic, a premier orchestra. Beyond classical, the city provides a diverse nightlife with vast clubs and live music venues. From the electrifying beats to smooth live bands, there's something for all. Jazz lovers will find a thriving scene, ranging from cozy cellars to modern clubs. So the sun goes down, Vienna comes alive with music and merriment, keeping you entertained till the wee hours. As the sun rises on a new day in Vienna, the city flaunts its unique shopping charm. Ringstrasse, the prime shopping street, tempts any visitor with diverse stores offering fashion, souvenirs, and local crafts. For traditional seekers, the vibrant Naschmarkt offers everything from fresh produce to antiques. You can even savor local treats while shopping. Lovers can indulge in high-end fashion at the city's designer boutiques. Vienna's shopping scene, a fascinating blend of tradition and modernity, suits all tastes and budgets, so prepare to shop till you drop as you explore the retail delights of this enchanting city. After a day filled with shopping and exploring the city, it's time to retreat to Vienna's parks and gardens. First, we visit the Baroque-style Schönbrunn Gardens, a tranquil haven filled with elegant fountains and panoramic views. Next, we move to the Prater Park in the city's heart, famous for Ferris wheel and a favorite among locals and tourists. Lastly, we escape to the Vienna woods, teeming with hiking trails, scenic views, and diverse flora and fauna. So, whether you're a nature lover or just need a break, Vienna's parks and gardens offer a peaceful retreat. Remember, sometimes the best way to truly understand a city is to enjoy its natural beauty. Vienna's central location makes it an excellent base for exploring the surrounding regions. A stone's throw away, you'll find Salzburg, the birthplace of Mozart, full of stunning architecture. Further out, there's the Wachau Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site adorned with rolling vineyards and majestic castles. Bratislava, Slovakia's capital, just an hour away, offers a fascinating mix of old and new. Each of these day trips unveils a richer understanding of this part of Europe's cultural tapestry. So when in Vienna, don't just stay within the city limits, venture out and discover what the surrounding regions have to offer.